Dandadan is not your typical shonen, and the explanation to this statement is available in the video. So let's talk about the things that make Dandadan so special. And let me be clear about one thing. While I discuss an anime, मैं उसके different aspects पर बात करता हूँ. हम उन चीज़ों पर बात करेंगे that I like about the show, और मैं तुम्हें वो चीज़ें भी बताऊंगा that I do not like about the show. And to conclude the video, I will present you with my honest opinion. And I will rate the show. So stick with me till the end, and now let's start the review. So first of all, let's talk about the basic plot of the anime. That is quite unique, dense, extremely packed, and heart-touching. It is a legendary and beautiful journey of finding our main character Ken Takakura's balls. You might think I'm trolling, लेकिन तुम लोग इसके प्लॉट की डेप्थ को उस तरह नहीं समझ सकते जिस तरह मैं समझता हूँ. Wait. That sounds weird. Let's back up. लेकिन क्या ये इतना ही weird साउंड करता है जितना कि an alien trying to impregnate a minor? और क्या ये इतना ही weird साउंड करता है जितना कि a granny trying to gobble up a whiner? Alright, let's stop with the jokes and start with characters. So the characters of Dandadan are one of the strongest aspect of the show. The characters are very well written और इनकी writing भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा serious feel होती है. But what they carry is a specific charm that makes them fun to watch on screen. Sometimes the character feel unrealistic and over the top, but they complement the story, so I think it's alright. And even if we talk about the side characters, their writing is taken seriously and they play important roles in the story. For example, the actions of Turbo Granny might feel silly in the beginning, but उसके पास भी एक बहुत अच्छा और deep reason था that might touch you emotionally and you might end up connecting with her character and loving her character. My point is, Dandadan does such a good job of giving short but impactful backstories that it may leave a mark on you. For example, in the case of acrobatic Silky. But sometimes there is no backstory, but even in that case the character is summarized by a single scene. For example, in the case of Turbo Granny. And these stories and scenes describe the character very beautifully. ये चीजें हमें इन characters से connect करने में मदद करती हैं और वो भी on a much deeper level. So according to me, Dandadan has beautiful characters and good character writing. So let's move on to our next point, and that is comedy. The comedy of Dandadan is quite funny and is able to make you laugh. अब तुम इसकी absurdity पर हंसो, या इसके funny character interactions पर हंसो, या इसके silly jokes पर हंसो, ये मैं तुम पर छोड़ देता हूँ. For me, I find the absurdity of Dandadan very funny, and the situation that this anime creates through its characters is also quite funny and is always able to make me laugh. लेकिन क्योंकि Dandadan अपनी कॉमेडी में बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स का यूज़ करता है, तो समटाइम्स द कॉमेडी माइट फील ओवर द टॉप, और शायद इस वजह से तुम लोगों को ऐसा भी लग सकता है दैट द कॉमेडी इज अ बिट फोर्स्ड. सो विद दैट आउट ऑफ द वे, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द पीक ऑफ Dandadan. पहली 6 एपिसोड्स के बाद Dandadan ने अपने आप को मेरे लिए एक अच्छा एक्शन कॉमेडी साबित कर दिया था. लेकिन ऑल ऑफ दिस चेंजेस विद एपिसोड 7, जहां पर अभी तक Dandadan was just a good action comedy, but after this episode where it literally bend genres and present you with the most beautiful and amazing visual storytelling that you might even wonder, is this the same show? An episode that was so dense and emotionally packed with such beautiful and impactful visuals, with such great and beautiful direction, and the direction is strong enough to make you cry, where you might even wonder, is this the same action comedy जिसका basic plot एक लड़के की balls ढूंढना था? But it is the same show. और इस चीज़ का हिंट हमें पहले ही दे दिया गया था जब हमें ये पता चलता है that why does Turbo Granny steal balls? And the reason was that she didn't wanted to see more dead girls in that tunnel. The reason was that she knew that every time a male came into the tunnel, he might be carrying a violated girl's dead body to dump into that tunnel. This episode contains the themes of realism, where it doesn't matter how much difficult it becomes, you have to struggle to survive. But for what? What is the reason for this struggle? Is it just as simple as to survive, or does it hold a deeper meaning? This episode of Dandadan mainly focuses on a mother and a daughter, where the mother is a prostitute who earns money by selling herself, or you can say by killing herself. That was pretty evident from her facial expression, and you wonder, why does she do that? And the answer was pretty simple. It was her daughter. The moment she sees her daughter, her motionless face brightens up. She smiles beautifully, मानो जैसे किसी अंधे को आंखें मिल गई हों, या जैसे किसी मुर्दे को रूह. और उसके बाद हमें ये दिखाया जाता है that why does she struggle constantly? It was just because she sees hope in her daughter, and when that hope is separated from her, she struggles. जैसे किसी मछली से मानो पानी छीन लिया हो. And she tries her best, and when she finally realizes that all of her constant struggling meant nothing and her last hope and sunshine has been taken away from her, she decides to kill herself. For me, the mother symbolizes a human stuck in a cave with no light. And the daughter is the hope, or you can say a ray of light, that is illuminating the dark and gives her hope that someday she might be able to leave this darkness and finally be free. लेकिन जब उससे वो आखिरी उम्मीद की किरण भी छीन ली जाती है, she becomes hopeless and do not wish to live anymore. तो क्या मिल गया तुम्हें उस स्टेटमेंट का एक्सप्लेनेशन जो मैंने इस वीडियो के शुरू में बोली थी? दैट Dandadan इज नॉट योर टिपिकल shonen. लगता है वीडियो हैवी हो गई. So now to cheer up the atmosphere, let's talk about its action and animation. Because at the end of the day, it's an action shonen, and I would like to say, damn, like the animation and the character design is just so damn good. The anime is animated by Studio Science Saru, and they animated it very beautifully with those amazing visuals, and the action is also very good and very well choreographed. And the studio also deserve praise for episode 7 क्योंकि manga में ये पूरी episode 2 panels से ज़्यादा नहीं थी, but still Studio Science Saru animated it beautifully, and this shows their love and passion for this show, and they deserve high praise for that. With that, now let's talk about some minor negatives of the show that I didn't like much. Number one would be fan service. Look, first of all, I'm not a big fan of fan service in anime. I do not hate it, but I don't like it either. In case of Dandadan, I just didn't like the fan service. And number two would be romantic tension between characters. So I did not like the uneasy romantic tension between characters. For me, it felt a bit uneasy, and I don't know why, but it just felt a bit weird to me. I know that these are not big negatives, and at this point it's just nitpicking, but I had to find some negatives. Otherwise, ऐसा लगता that I was glazing Dandadan. जो कि मैं कर रहा हूँ, but still. And now to conclude the video and to present you with my honest opinion that was evident throughout the video. Yes, I enjoyed Dandadan quite well, and I love the show. ये उन shows में से एक है जिसकी हर episode का wait मैं हर हफ्ते करता था. And to rate it, my rating would be of solid 8.8 out of 10. So that was it for the video. This is me, Animika C, signing off. Bye bye, take care, and watch more anime.